Game Dev Journey. Hey everyone, it's Rob here from Game Dev Journey. I've been looking around for great Godot tutorial channels, and this is what I have to recommend this week. On the verified channel of Microsoft Azure, they had a live stream of a developer demonstrating how to install the Godot tools add-on to Visual Studio Code to allow the editing of GDScript with syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and other language server features. So, Microsoft is not exactly partnering with Godot here to allow console ports to Xbox, but still, it's a pretty big highlight for Godot and a strong acknowledgement from Microsoft. Are they the good guys now? I stumbled across a really weird channel, and maybe you guys can shed some light on it for me in the comments. They have a variety of videos covering all sorts of diverse topics. Lots and lots of videos, about 400 in total, multiple posted daily. Only 6 subscribers. What's going on here? Totally disorganized, and yet amidst the chaos you will find some really good Godot tutorial videos on topics like creating a black hole in Godot, making 3D adventure games, how to work with 3D lights, etc. I have no idea what's going on here. NAD Lads is a really interesting Godot channel with a lot of high-level stuff, such as the latest video which explains how to create a heuristic-based enemy AI in Godot. The channel maker describes it as a place to keep his Godot tutorials and game jams. He posts videos once or twice a week, and they're really good quality and they cover a wide variety of topics, all on Godot. This is certainly a Godot channel to subscribe to and check in on regularly. Motag Studio is a small game development team aiming to make great games with the Godot engine. They've published 2 games so far, Dunk Up and Turtaban, and they have 2 nearing release, School Love and The Brave Cato. Devlogs and tutorials on the channel currently focus on their third-person action-adventure game, which is currently in development. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel to learn more. Another interesting channel is that of Godot Dev. The video which drew me in was of him creating a clone of the messaging app WhatsApp in Godot. It shows that it's possible to do a lot more with the engine than just make games. Other videos are similar, making a Discord bot with Godot or an alarm app. If you're interested in the uses of Godot beyond game development, subscribe to the Godot Dev and check out his back catalogue. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you all again next time.